Wow, what a day yesterday. It was an amazing day. Let's hear it for the companies yesterday. I mean, wow. I would love to take credit for it, but the honest truth is an event like this rises and falls with the quality of the companies. And if you thought we front-loaded the conference and yesterday was all the good companies and today you're going to see duds, it's the exact opposite. Today, we've stacked the deck. We're starting with some of the best companies that we had out of the 600-700 who applied. The first company especially is going to be awesome. And we've got awesome judges, as always. Mo Koifman is from Spark Capital. We're on the board of GDGT together. You might know Spark Capital because they have investments in companies like the Twitter. The Twitter. They're also in the Tumblr, but they were one of the first investors in the Tumblr. What else? There's like 5 other huge ones. Give us a couple.
What else are we in? Boxy.
Boxy, yeah, that's a good one.
What else folks will find interesting? Consumer. We're in OMG Pop.
OMG Pop, yeah.
We're in Supply, which is a new social shopping startup.
See, you always know the good VCs when they don't rely on their archive of all the good companies when they promote the newest investments. Very smart. Well played.
Thank you, sir.
CYAN BANISTER is a prolific angel investor. You've got to be in 30 or 40 companies now. How many companies have you invested in the last 2 or 3 years?
Right now we have 20 in our portfolio.
20.
Yeah.
So that means you're angel investing in about 10 a year or so. Greg is from Tagged, which you may know is it larger than MySpace now?
Almost.
Almost. Social network that is booming and just like slowly growing every year.
Yep.
Everybody knows Kara Swisher is the host of the D Conference, which is undoubtedly the best conference in the technology industry today. It is the gold standard that other conference producers aspire to, and it's now in its, I think next year will be the 8th or 10th? Ninth year. Yeah. Amazing. And some of the most amazing moments in the technology industry on stage. Steve Jobs and Bill Gates on the same stage together. Yeah. What a magical moment.
Yeah, the green room was better.
I'm sure it was. But really, thanks for coming. I know you've got a lot to do. Kevin Rose, one of my oldest friends in the industry, creator of Dig and angel investor in many awesome things. Gowalla. What else are you angel invested in? Foursquare, a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, Ingimoco, Twitter, Facebook.
Wow.
Formspring, whole slew of them.
Awesome. Ngimoco would be your big exit.
That was my first exit, yeah.
Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And of course, Aaron is here from Mint, which won TechCrunch 40, the first event we did many years ago, 4 or 5 years ago now. Yesterday, how many times was Mint brought up on stage yesterday? 10? It seems like when anybody says amazing designed product that was presented in an awesome fashion, it was your presentation at TechCrunch 40 over the Palace Hotel that comes up, and you, of course, sold the company for $8 billion to Intuit. It's just slightly less, but I think it was $200 or $300 million.
I heard that analysis yesterday that it should have been worth $8 billion, but very pleased that we've set the gold standard in design.
Yeah, and also for presenting. So let's just get right into it.